Hello there, welcome to our channel. In today's video, we are going to discuss about how to find favorite photos on iOS 18.1. So for finding favorite photos, first you need to open Photos app on iPhone. Then here you can see I am in library section. So for finding favorite photos, at the bottom left corner, you have these up and down arrows. Click on it. Then this page will pop up. Here you need to tap on filter button. Then this page will pop up with some more different options. Here you can see the option of favorites. Once you click on favorite, then favorites picture will appear on your screen. Then you can see this heart on all pictures. So it's mean these all photos are favorite. If this option is unavailable in your iPhone with some reason, then here another way is that what you need to do, just scroll down to pinned collections. Then here in pinned collections, you can see this favorites album. But if you didn't find this favorite album in pinned collection, then click on this modify button. And at the top with this red sign, you can see these all are shown in my pinned collections. And iPhone also suggests some options which you can add in your pinned collections. So for adding any of them, just click on this plus icon at the back of any option. And here you can see favorite is added in my pinned collection. So these are the two simplest way to find favorite photos on iOS 18.1. If the video was helpful, then don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel. Thank you so much for watching.